Hello South Africa. It is Monday, June 13, 2022, and here is news in a minute. Parliament to investigate EFF GBV allegations while protection staff open cases against Red Berets. Economic Freedom Fighters, EFF, Chief Whip, Floyd Shivambu, called on the Speaker of the National Assembly to conduct an investigation into the alleged gender-based violence suffered by women members of his party at the hands of some members of the Parliamentary Protection Services, PPS, on the 9th and the 10th of June. Members of the PPS, however, claim they were abused by EFF members during the removal process, and at least 2 criminal cases have been opened with the Cape Town Police. Parliament said the 3 EFF MPs allegedly violated during both sittings of the presidency budget vote and reply last week are Babalwa Mathulawa, Nalavuyo Tufini and Naledi Chewa. EFF chairperson Veronica Ment told Speaker Nosiviwe Kokula that members of the PPS had allegedly manhandled and touched the private part of members during the removal and said that a case would be opened. Kokula said she was highly disturbed by the allegations and added that no stone would be left unturned in establishing all the factual circumstances around them. The Speaker committed to launching an internal investigation into all the allegations. Please subscribe for more news updates. This is Leah for the South African.